and I are here, throwing French fries to the seagulls. Let's see if we can get one that... Oh, damn! Did you see that? I don't know if I got it on camera because it startled me. Let's see if we can get it again. Okay, watch. Somebody's gonna grab it. For sure, somebody's gonna grab it.
It's a bird that's gonna get it.
I hope I don't get my hand pecked. That scared me.
You did it though. Every bird gets a chance to live a good life.
Bryce, stop throwing the fries. I want to eat them. Alright.
Birds are living it.
Who's gonna be the brave soul to come get it this time?
Come on, get the fry.
Dang, I can't even believe I wasn't looking when that happened.
Look at the fry in our hand and take it.
Oh yeah, somebody's gonna take it. Stop. Yeah, they're trying to come. Oh yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, he's thinking about it. Okay, now Bryce, we don't want him in the car. Oh dang, where are they going?
Come on, get it.
Stop throwing them, Bryce.
I'm trying to get them close so they can do it, so they'll do it.
Bryce, you threw the whole thing of fries out.
I want him to grab the freaking fry out of your hand. I want him to do it.
Somebody's going to.
Come on, do it. Show me it.
Stop talking. We better stop talking.
Get him to do it.
Come on, seagull. Come on.
The bird.
Come on. I know they want it. Oh, look, it's on the car.
He's on the car.
Alright, I'm gonna try to hand it. If you poop on my car, dude, I'm gonna honk the horn. Don't! Oh, that didn't even faze him.
Didn't even faze the kid. Come on. Come on, get it. Who's gonna be the dude that gets it?
Come on. Oh, look. He tried to bite it. He tried to bite him.
Dude, they're gonna sneak attack you, and it's gonna bite your hand, and they're gonna all fly in here. They're gonna fly in here and kill us.
Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Oh, here you go, birdie. No. Oh, look, here it comes. Here it comes. I'm afraid one's gonna fly up from the bottom.
Get it!
Shh, don't. Every time I act like I'm gonna throw it, there's another one in the car. Go get it! Off the car. Bryce! Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Get it, bird. Get it.
Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. He wants it.
They're both
Come on.
freaking fry.
Come get it.
Don't look at him. Turn your head.
Go get it. Come on. Come on. Okay, it's not working. My trick of trying to get him to do it.
Maybe you turn your head and don't watch them. They don't like it when you watch
I think they care. The little blackbirds. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Come on and get it. I'm not gonna grab you. Come on. I just want to see you take it out of my... Come on. Come on. Come on, birdie, birdie.
You like a birthday.
No, I just wanted to take it out of my hand. I didn't see it.
Put down. He's on the car. Hey.
and get it.
Get the freaking fly, idiot.
Come on.
Fly.
Okay, stop shouting.
I'm gonna slap you.
Come down.
I'm gonna slap you with a GoPro.
I think I just need to
Okay, just freaking
give it up.
blow it.
Come and get it. Come on, you guys gotta work for it.
Yeah, I'll tranquilize every last one of you. Swear to God. Come on. Throw it.
Oh, the black spark moved. He was waiting for it.